Apple just dropped Xcode 26 beta, and it's packed with game-changing features like built-in AI code assistance, a stunning new liquid glass UI, and Metal 4 for game developers. In this video, we'll cover the top 7 features of Xcode 26 beta. Everything you need to know explained clearly. The first feature of Xcode 26 is built-in AI code. Assistant Xcode is now smarter than ever. Apple has integrated powerful AI tools like ChatGPT and Anthropic Claude. You can now ask things like, "Why is this bug happening?" or "Write test cases for this function." Directly inside Xcode, the assistant can generate code, fix errors, explain logic, and even write documentation for you. Let's talk about the second feature of Xcode 26, which is liquid glass UI design. Xcode 26 supports Apple's new liquid glass UI. With new glassMaterial surfaces and icon styles, your apps can now adopt a futuristic, translucent look using SwiftUI, UIKit, and AppKit. It also comes with Icon Composer to create beautiful system-styled icons. Let's talk about the third feature of Xcode 26, which is Metal 4 for game developers. This one's for you. Xcode 26 includes Metal 4, supporting real-time ray tracing, mesh shaders, MetalFX upscaling, and Dolby Atmos for immersive audio. Plus, there's a new game porting toolkit to bring AAA games to the Mac more easily. Let's talk about the fourth feature of Xcode 26, which is faster SwiftUI previews. Xcode. Previews are now blazing fast. They use the same build artifacts as your final build, which means no more full recompiles just to preview UI changes. This makes app design smoother and way more efficient. Let's talk about fifth feature of Xcode 26, which is smarter testing and static analysis. Swift testing is more powerful with better support for test discovery, assertions, and setup. Static Analyzer now catches more issues like memory leaks, data races, and driver kit errors before you even run your app. Let's talk about sixth feature of Xcode 26, which is developer productivity tools. Productivity just leveled up. Quick Actions now use semantic search. A new flame graph in Instruments helps with performance analysis. A thread performance checker catches main thread slowdowns and launch issues. Debugging is now faster and more visual. Let's talk about seventh feature of Xcode 26, which is Foundation Models API. Want to bring Apple intelligence into your own apps? The new Foundation Models API lets you use Apple's on-device AI models for text generation, summarization, vision tasks, all with just a few lines of code. Xcode 26 Beta is a massive upgrade for iOS, macOS, and game developers. With AI coding, stunning UI APIs, and next-gen tools, Apple is clearly building for the future. If you found this useful, give it a like, drop a comment about your favorite feature, and don't forget to subscribe for more dev updates. More videos on iOS 26, SwiftUI, and Apple Intelligence coming soon. Stay tuned.